The law of attraction techniques offers you the best chance of making your dreams come true. And the next right question should be, how can you speed up the law of attraction? The only answer is by doing the meditation. So the law of attraction is a concept and lifestyle based on the idea of that like attracts like. You will attract whatever you are focusing on. To get the best results, you need to concentrate on good and positive things. This is where exactly meditation fits and can help. Now, what is the meditation? Meditation is the best tool to calm your mind, which in turn raises your vibration and brings you closer to the source energy, to that infinite intelligence, and thus closer to your dreams and desires. In Hindi, you call meditation as dhyana. As I said earlier in one of my previous videos, that at any particular day you think almost 70,000 of thoughts, and almost 85% of them are toxic. So meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique, very simple techniques, such as mindfulness, or watching your own thoughts and emotions, or simply focusing the mind on your breath to get the awareness of what's really happening inside you, and thus achieve a mentally clear and emotional and calm and stable state, a state of higher vibration. So meditation is the most important prerequisite for using the law of attraction, but 90% of the people who are studying or using the law of attraction, they either don't know about it or they don't practice it. And thus at the end, they wrongly conclude that law of attraction is not working for them. It works all the time. What they don't realize is that law of attraction is not some mechanical thing, and to make it work for you, you need to align with your inner being, with that source energy. And apart from making law of attraction work for you, meditation, these simple exercises also significantly reduces your stress, anxiety, depression, any of these negative emotions, and it enhances peace and well-being. But to me, the most important aspect of it is that it connects you with your source energy, and you can hear that little voice of your inner guidance, which you cannot hear with all that chaos in your mind. And this subtle inner guidance, which you can only hear when you are absolutely calm, this guidance we call as intuition, right? And intuition, it takes you closer to your goals, and discloses the shortest and the easiest path to achieve your deepest desires or dreams. So we can safely say that training our minds to focus on a specific desire is best achieved through meditation. So I also wanted to cover visualization briefly, because we are talking about the meditation. So visualization, it is a very important part of manifestation. While you can visualize making your dreams come true, it is much more effective when you practice visualization after meditation or during meditation. It means combining the practice of meditation with the technique of visualization. In this, you visualize the realization of your desire. You focus on achieving the end result. You visualize this for few minutes immediately post meditating. So I guess you're relating, right? If your mind is, covered up with thousands of thoughts, then you cannot focus on one thing that you want to visualize, that you desire. But when you meditate, your mind becomes clear, and you can say that there is a direct connection between you and your inner being. And then whatever you visualize, you can translate easily, communicate that part easily, to that infinite intelligence, to your inner core being. So I guess now you got some idea of why meditation is very necessary. So now for the beginners, some very useful tips. The first one, if you want to meditate, find a quiet and peaceful spot with no noise and distraction. Now, there is a meditation music available on YouTube that can also be used. Soothing music played softly in the background helps you to slip into meditation and calmness little easily. Secondly, you can choose to meditate either indoors or outdoors, but the spot you choose should have a very comfortable temperature, neither too cold or not too hot. Extreme weather conditions won't help you. And third and very important is posture. The ideal posture when you meditate is to sit cross-legged with hands placed on your lap and palms facing upwards like this. So as you have to maintain this posture for the entire duration of the meditation, and I'll say if you're beginning, then you can restrict yourself to meditate somewhere beyond between 10 to 15 minutes. So don't force yourself into the cross-legged position until it's not comfortable to you. Choose a posture you can manage in the beginning. It is okay to sit in a chair or on the bed, and you can move to the cross-legged posture later on. One crucial point to remember here is to keep your back straight and not to slouch while you are meditating. So fourth important point is to focus on your breath, focus on your breathing. Irrespective of the type of meditation you choose, emphasis on breathing is common to most of them. This is to help you calm down and focus and get you ready for the actual meditation process. You can easily learn to breathe the right way and master the technique of deep breathing. You can first close your eyes and concentrate on your normal breathing, and after a couple of minutes maybe move towards deep breathing. There are deep breathing techniques that require you to hold your breath between inhaling and exhaling. We call it pranayam. You can search on YouTube and easily learn. Now fifth important point is watching or witnessing your own thoughts and emotions. Once your mind has settled down to a little calmer place with a few minutes of deep breathing, then I suggest to begin with, don't do anything, no repetition of mantra, no repetition of the name of the God. Just watch whatever the mind is doing like a bystander on the road and watching the vehicles passing. Watch your thoughts, and by and by, when you keep a distance from your thoughts, you will see that they are diminishing. So if the thoughts are passing, don't disturb it, don't prevent it, don't repress, don't do anything at all on your part, just be a watcher. And then the miracle of watching will happen, that we call meditation. So as you watch slowly and slowly, your mind becomes completely empty of thoughts. Meditation melts all the layers of worry, anxiety, depression, fear, which influence your thought processes. And then your crystal clear thinking and visualization will open the door to easy manifestation of anything you want, whether it be love, good health, wealth, or relationships, or success in any kind of term. So meditation in essence is the process of digging down into the depths of your mind, into the subconscious mind, session by session, and your once inaccessible mind power becomes suddenly available to you. So that was all about the meditation in this video. So friends, hope you found this video useful, and till the next video, goodbye. Thank you.